Here's a good example of a dike. You can see, you really see the break on the water right there. See how it breaks? That's the edge of that dike right there. And there's about 15 foot of water over it right now at this stage. But it's, I mean, I didn't need to run over it. I'm just kind of making a gradual turn around right here so that you can see where the water breaks. You can see a real defined break in the water right there. You can see it's smoother above it and then more rapids below it. And what it does, it shoots that water up and then it makes it real turbulent right there. But and then you'll see in correlation to where it is on the chart there, it's showing it right there. That's us right here. There's the water. Anyway, and see, we've got it marked 25.6 feet less than Cairo gauge. So you go and see what today's river gauge is. I think it's 38, 36, 38 foot. I don't know. It's on my phone. But I think there's about 15 foot of water over that, I think. 14 foot. Anyway, I wasn't going across it, so I wasn't really concerned about exact. Northbound, I'd be checking it out because I'll be running over the top of it northbound if I could. Anyway, that's our day. We're cruising, making 9, and not even having to really shove hard. Anyway, that's what we got going on. Super Bowl Sunday. You can see that. Another dike. Used to the way it was, we just ran radar. Now they got buoys out on some of these. Some of them there are, but when they didn't have buoys out on them, and we didn't have this chart in here, well, you knew the length of that dike. You knew how long it was, how long that dike came out, and you'd use your rings right here, which you can judge distance, and it shows you distance, and you'd know how far off the bank that you could run, you know. And it was not perfectly exact, but it'd be, you know, closer. With these, you can really, they're pretty accurate. So it gives you a little bit better. I mean, that's where these tools work. But that's how you really did. You'd watch it, you'd see where the brakes were. Like that. See, there's a buoy out on the end of it. There's a buoy, but you can see the brake. See the difference in the water. And you'd run out off the end of those breakwaters. And that was how you kind of knew where you know, when the buoys weren't in, which is a lot. The buoys get taken out a lot by high water, and you know, they're off. But anyway, that's how you knew where you could run. You put your ring on there, and you know, if you didn't see the brakes real good on it, but you know, that's how you tell where the dikes are. A lot of the charting system changed the game. I mean, it made things easier. I mean, there's downsides to it, especially training, you know, new guys. There's downsides of not knowing how to, you know, just use radar alone in a paper chart. But the GPS changed things up for sure. I mean, big time. Anyway, dike hunting.